You is a old kangaroo pouch, licky licky, wanga gut, bang belly, hotel rat. It don't get no worse than that. You chat too much.
You have to pay a bill at Jamaica somewhere. Because if you leave somebody in the house down there, unless you have to rent it out and knowing you not rent out facing them. So you have to go pay a light bill at Jamaica somewhere. You have to go pay a disability assistance because you have to go let somebody in there.
And it's time for you to get out that hotel that you in. And how come you look like last week? The week before that and the week before that. You don't have to worry about her. You don't. You don't never have to worry about her. The man upstairs said don't worry about her. He got her. She would never kick her blessing out of her hand and be an idiot like you. Yeah? You look uncomfortable too, Fubu.
Yes. Them face people look at in work. So you have two places up here, whether rent or mortgage or whatever.
Doesn't matter. It's hers. She don't live in a hotel. She go to the hotel, chill, and go home.
I remember saying I live with them the daughter there, if you know their attitude. And as far as
leave her daughters out of it. Leave her daughters out of it. Go take care of your son. But leave her daughters out of it. They're off limits. They're not to be talked about by you or nothing. No, they're not. So wherever they at in the world, leave them alone. I said it.
They have a good relationship. You understand? So, nobody lie.
How you know that they don't have a good relationship? Mind your business. You and your son don't have a good relationship. Your daughter-in-law don't like you like that. And I don't blame her. Pretty much. But you leave her children alone, though. And that's it.
So you will see. Because they pick me already Americanized and they a long time.
Yep, they're Americanized and they're doing very well. They're not a criminal, serving the country, you know, and everything like that. They have ambition. They don't live in a hotel. All of that. They got a mama that loves them and they love their mama, and it's on book. Don't worry about it. You mind your business.
And I grew up with you. So let me see if you can call them the girl there. Come carry this, come give me and carry that, give me and carry that.
When you speak on her kids, they're not gals, they women, they black queens, they're men. They're not like you, a licky homeless hotel rat. That's it.
Look at them, I live with you. No, well, why you come?
Why you sound like a bait. Noel, why you come? What you well want her to come to do? You can't afford nothing when you come. And if you don't like me, so you make it. You done. You just pulling. You salty. From the other day, you salty. Way before that, but from yesterday, couple days, you salty. Nope. Next, you well want her to come. You don't know what red carpet feel like. She living red carpet life. Good night.
I mean, why you come open up kitchen in your house? Like Jamaica.
And if she open up, yeah, she come over here and she open up, she ain't got to open up no kitchen. She'll cook right in her kitchen. What does it matter if she come over here and open up whatever? She's going to open up whatever she needs to open up. She worldwide now. Good night. Are you worldwide? No, you stuck in a hotel motel. Can't move, sprayed and out. Still got that dry wig on? Yeah. Please. It's real makeup artists around here. Real hairstylists around here. You move and go put on that roach-infested wig that you got on. How about it? Put some water in it while you at it.
I don't register something. I see only yet as then call.
Okay, Are you registered? Is your mouth registered? Is your sheets registered? Is your roaching bands registered to be crawling across your chest like that? For you to be having it here and drinking with it? Are you registered? Are they registered? Mind your business. Kiki, listen, I am telling you, it's gonna be a warm time for you. I don't know what you and them other people got, but it's gonna be a warm time for you, and I'm just chilling now. But it really is you. Me
say, I want, me say, I will want you come and see.
And when she come, you can't do nothing to her. And don't forget to tell the people, you said you was going to another country, but you end up in Jamaica. What that look like to you? What that look like to you? You don't make no sense. Nope. I'm not taking it. You're a bait.
I long to watch my Jamaican blogger and that your Donna name anyone is the same. You're lucky.
That's what I'm saying. You just heard that person. I'm doing all right. But you just heard that person. They long to hear you talk about something else and not call the businesswoman, Mama D, one woman to the world. They want you not to say her name because they're tired of you. So that means they're preparing to walk away from you in your pissy sheets. See, way before that, but from yesterday, couple days, you salty. Nope. Next, your well want Africa. You don't know what red carpet feel like. She living red carpet life. Good night.
I mean, why you come open up kitchen in the house like Jamaica?
And if she open up, yeah, she come over here and she open up, she ain't got to open up no kitchen. She'll cook right in her kitchen. What does it matter if she come over here and open up whatever? She's going to open up whatever she needs to open up. She worldwide now. Good night. Are you worldwide? No, you stuck in a hotel motel. Can't move. Sprayed and out. Still got that dry wig on? Yeah. Please. It's real makeup artists around here. Real hairstylists around here. You move and go put on that roach-infested wig that you got on. How about it? Put some water in it while you at it.
I don't really start something. I see only yet as in call.
Okay, are you registered? Is your mouth registered? Is your sheets registered? Is your roaching bands registered to be crawling across your chest like that? For you to be having it here and drinking with it? Are you registered? Are they registered? Mind your business. Kiki, listen, I am telling you, it's gonna be a warm time for you. I don't know what you and them other people got, but it's gonna be a warm time for you, and I'm just chilling now. But it really is you.
Take to live your house. Me say, I want. Me say, I will want you come and see.
And when she come, you can't do nothing to her. And don't forget to tell the people, you said you was going to another country, but you end up in Jamaica. What that look like to you?
I long to watch my Jamaican blogger and that your Donna name anyone is the same. You're lucky.
They want you not to say her name because they're tired of you. So that means they're preparing to walk away from you in your pissy sheets.
You're lucky. If she never over there, I said people and I drop her word for me.
I'ma tell you what, everybody voice their own opinion. Ain't nobody stupid enough to be walking with you. People have their own houses and things like that, and you want them to live in a hotel just to keep you company. It don't work like that, you idiot. You bang belly idiot. It doesn't work like that. Kangaroo pouch.
My name suit a call, me not ask you.
Yeah, as soon as you and your friends stop calling her name, because ain't nothing gonna change. It's up. It's always a up. Never down.
She soon be non-relevant, both of you.
She's always gonna be relevant. She's always gonna be relevant. She made history already, over and over and over again. While you do what? Sit there and spread it away. Mm-hmm.
I'm Marcia run things, boy.
No, you don't run nothing. You water down. You run down. You hand me down. You everything down. You're not running anything. All you running is a bunch of old idiots that will follow you. You do this and you do that. Do this for me. You never do anything for yourself. See, if you move a little bit, you'll probably lose a couple of pounds or shed some pounds or something. You understand what I'm saying? You don't make no sense. You're not about to do that to her. She's a businesswoman. You're not. You is a old kangaroo pouch, licky wanga gut, bang belly, hotel rat. It don't get no worse than that.
See, her life is boring.
Don't worry about if her life is boring. She put a smile on people's face that's going through something. Something that you could never do. If I was facing or anybody else was facing what they facing, and it ain't nothing, because whatever I'm facing will always shut you up completely. Honey, I came across something, and I'm telling you this. What one at the time, 72-year-old, get a radiation certificate and stuff like that? You're not doing things like that. You're an American citizen shithouse. So be quiet. It makes me so proud this morning, the question that I asked. Dummy, shut up and mind your business.
Everybody know why you put in a ass cake.
Yes, we want more than Yamba cake. As a matter of fact, I want to place an order for my sister. And I want to get a shirt for my sister. Yeah, so I'm going to do that. And I'm going to get a couple more shirts when I go home. Yeah. And we going to rock them like it ain't nobody's business. And I swear to God on my soul, not nobody else's. Don't nobody got nothing to do with what I'm saying to you. Yeah. So I'm going to buy my sister a cake. I didn't know that it was still up, but now I know. Because you saying it, buying one. Anything she got, I'm going to make sure that I buy it. She need to find her something else better to do, but she can't because she lost a good friend, girl. Sister, she lost a good friend. Somebody that could have been a good friend and have her to win and not wear these dry wigs, but because of our drunker spirit, our hell of a drunker spirit, and bad mind spirit. That's it.
Me have illness in my life over here.
Your life is sad. You be eating things that you really don't want to eat in the morning. You know those type of things don't make you full. And the people tired of you in that lobby because you there acting like you doing something when you not. There's a bunch of people that went to the hotel just a couple of days ago and they went right back to their rightful home, honey. You wasting time. You wasting money. You ain't nobody. Good night. You looking for a pickup.
Yeah, motivation and inspiration.
Go to Jamaica and go to the truck stop and be quiet.
Upliftment.
You ain't no upliftment. You're a downer. The only thing that's lifting up is your kangaroo pouch. And you need to just clean it and scour it. That's it.
You see?
No.
Don't she so she lucky. Her name is...
So let me ask you something. You know, see how good she look? It bunny, you don't. All the old picture them are, it bunny, you don't. It burn out your skin though. You could never match up, and I'm serious. See, I gotta speak the truth. If this thing right here say white with some writings on it in different color, yes honey, that's it. It's the little things in life, baby, that adds up. You don't add up. You're a whole pile of doo-doo. Old pile of shit. So look, on I know some don't depend on my thing, right? I'm not at home, so I just press a button and then I look at idiot live or whatever, it go off. So I think I want to just probably get it back and just finish it out. Because I just touched it, honey. I just touched it. But Marcia, you ain't saying nothing. Don't call her name no more. Coco Walk, Basket, Peace. Don't call her name no more. Unless you can tell me what her son's name is. What big business in Jamaica that he owned. I told you it was best for you to go back to the whatever your last name is, both of them last names other than the Campbell. You should go back to those. You should not. All right? And let me tell you something. My grandmother played a big part of what the hell you talking about. And it's not that. I will put cramp on you. Make everybody, listen, I'm the one that everybody wants to meet. Yeah. And I'm going to do it to you. I'm going to make them laugh at you. Don't send out nothing. You can't do nothing to her. And for everything and how passionate I am, Marcia Campbell, how passionate I am of what that woman, that beautiful soul present out here to me, not to nobody else. I am going to stand on it. Stacy, ping. I'm going to stand up on it till my wheels fall off and I get more wheels. You're not doing it no more. You're done with. You better find you something else better to do. Nobody likes you. And I swear to God, when I go upstairs and come back, I am going to finish out your little raggedy video. I don't have to listen to it on your page. I'm going to find it back where it was, and I'm going to do it to you. I don't have to curse. I don't have to do none of that. But you raggedy. We decent over here. We decent over here. And if you disrespect her children, I'ma disrespect you right back. They doing way better than you. You should mind your business. Get up and eat your uncomfortable breakfast that you don't like. You wanga got you licky nyammy hog. Don't worry about her. If she come, you gonna call. Who you gonna call? Not before they know to strip you of your citizenship because you's a citizen shit house. It's a difference when you're in a citizen house. Nice, good up citizen house. I mean, well laid out. No need. Good night. Not nobody else's but theirs. What are you saying? I'm ready to show off on you a little bit. But I'm going to show off like this. I'm going to buy my sister a t-shirt. I'm going to buy me another t-shirt. I'm going to buy my friend a t-shirt. I'm going to buy a couple more things. And whatever is new on the market. And what's old on the market. Me by myself. I don't need nobody else with me to do all this. Because you're nasty. When people are doing good versus you don't have anything to offer the world. You don't have nothing to offer these people out here on social media. But you send in all your little threats. Oh, if you come over here. If she come over here and she want to buy a house over here in America and she want to cook her food, she could do whatever she want to do. You can't report her. And you won't. Report yourself. Because you call people out their names, but yet you want to live off of the American government, but you don't like certain people. You're a walking billboard. Pay homage. You have nothing to offer. You failed. Miserable. Exclusive. Nope. Sorry. Dim your lights. And none of them big women that can play with me that watch you. None. Me one little one, they can't because they don't have no respect for themselves. They're idiots. They're gophers. They're pack women. What I mean by pack women, you give them a bag of salt and send them out there for go sell it. And that's all you do. You use them and abuse them. They're afraid of you. I'm not afraid of you. Nose to nose. Nope. Because I know what time it is. You're nasty. You need to be selling your pissy sheets. And making sure that you're not creating another marching band or another marching roach parade in the people's hotel motel. You need to find yourself something. Too much excuses. It's not working. So I don't know what you're going to do but shut up this morning. I don't even need to hear it. I could listen to that much and I could go the rest of the way, but I'm not. I'm going to play you out because you're an idiot. You 60-something years old or 50-something years old and can't find your age paper. You're not blessed with how the Lord's blessing you, my dear. So if she wants to come and if she spit over here, she not spitting on you. If she cough right here, she not coughing on you. If she lay a piece of paper down, she not talking to you. If she say something, she not talking to you. You're weird. You're weird. And you won't do it. You're only saying things because she in Jamaica, which if she live in the American dream in the country that you're from, you should be embarrassed. You's a licky bang belly hotel rat. One of them big one there. That's all you is. You have nothing to offer. Me tell you, me dear. Nope. I don't think so. And these people could not believe me if they don't want to. But I know who dead serious I am. Or anybody else who don't like what I say. Hopefully you're not trying to take off the ground or just have a business that she puts her mouth on y'all business like that. Hopefully that y'all will find somebody who does not want to get paid for it because you cannot buy the truth. This is insipid every day. It's insipid.